Understanding community tensions. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a very important and relevant topic, especially in our interconnected world: community tensions. Understanding what this means can help us navigate social interactions more effectively and contribute to a more harmonious community. So, let's get started and explore what community tensions are, why they arise, and how they can be addressed. Community tensions refer to a state of disagreement, conflict, or discord arising within a community. This can involve groups of people within a neighborhood, city, or even between different cultural or ethnic groups. These tensions often stem from differences in opinions, beliefs, values, or interests. They can manifest in various forms, such as protests, social unrest, or even day-to-day disagreements among community members. Several factors can lead to community tensions. Some of the most common include economic disparities. Differences in wealth and access to resources can create feelings of injustice and envy among community members. Cultural and ethnic differences. Misunderstandings or prejudices related to cultural or ethnic backgrounds can lead to mistrust and conflict. Political beliefs. Divergent political views can create significant rifts within communities, especially during election seasons or political crises. Social changes. Rapid changes in societal norms or structures can lead to uncertainty and discomfort, sparking tensions. The impact of community tensions can be far-reaching, affecting both individuals and the community as a whole. These effects include social fragmentation. Community cohesion breaks down, leading to isolation of different groups. Increased stress and anxiety. The constant state of tension can lead to higher levels of stress and anxiety among community members. Economic consequences. Tensions can deter investment and tourism, negatively impacting local economies. Erosion of trust. Trust in fellow community members and institutions can diminish, leading to a breakdown in social order and cooperation. Effectively addressing community tensions involves a multifaceted approach. Open communication. Encouraging open and respectful dialogue between conflicting parties can help bridge gaps and foster understanding. Community engagement. Involving community members in decision-making processes can create a sense of belonging and reduce feelings of exclusion. Education and awareness. Raising awareness about cultural, ethnic, and economic differences can reduce prejudices and promote empathy. Conflict resolution initiatives. Implementing programs that focus on mediation and conflict resolution can help address underlying issues and restore peace. In conclusion, community tensions are a complex phenomenon that can arise from a variety of sources, but addressing them requires patience, understanding, and concerted effort from all community members. By fostering an environment of dialogue, empathy, and cooperation, we can work towards mitigating these tensions and building stronger, more cohesive communities. Thank you for joining me in this discussion, and I hope this video has been enlightening. Let's all contribute to creating a more harmonious society, one step at a time.